Ta-da! Hey, welcome to Hawaii. So we've been here. Hold on, what are we doing? Into this,
yeah.
Yeah. Welcome to Hawaii. Whoa, we've already been here for 7 full days.
1 week in Hawaii.
1 week in Hawaii.
We're here on the beautiful island of Oahu, and we are now in the botanical garden.
Flip in map, and then another map.
Wow. If any of that sounds interesting to you, you should watch the whole series.
Exactly, because you'll probably want to subscribe, so that way you'll know when it's going to be coming up. Stay tuned, come along for the journey, and
we'll have some fun together. We are at the airport going to America.
We never go to America.
We would like to reestablish the fact that we are not your tour guides. I dare you, Waikiki, to be more expensive than the Vancouver airport.
Let's go. Honolulu Airport. We're now going to try to figure out how to get from the airport to Waikiki. Rumor has it, it's $50 United States money.
Yeah, it's probably like $56 US.
It was $60. 60 US American dollars from the airport to down into Waikiki. It's what Bamboo Castle. Haven't even checked in. Already very excited about this. Bamboo Castle. It's already given off Bamboo Castle vibes.
Kalae.
Good morning. It's probably really dark and a crappy shot. And look at us waking up all candid in the morning with microphones on. Wow.
Well, we just sleep with them unprepared.
That's right, not planned at all. But sorry, it is still dark outside, so we still cannot show you any of the amazing Hawaii. What are we doing again?
So we're going to hike Koko Crater this morning, which is an old railway ties that used to bring supplies up to the lookout bunkers during the wartime.
Yay, let's go hiking at 5 o'clock in the morning.
No, 9.
9.
Hilarious.
Super early. Look at us here on the famous Waikiki Beach at like 6:30 in the morning. Again, can't believe how busy it is. Awesome surfing going on. It's super cool. How's the water?
It's warm. Yeah, it's not shocking at all.
Nice.
Nice.
And it's like 6:30 in the morning, 23 degrees. The water's so nice.
Yeah, really good. Excellent.
Yeah, really good.
And something else to do. So let's go check it out. We've come back with the groceries. What does $35 US get you at the ABC store?
We got a loaf of bread, 2 bananas, 1 dozen eggs, some pineapple, some butter, a coconut water, and some coffee mate.
This gets us breakfast for multiple days at a fraction of the cost, and we can enjoy our beautiful room.
Let's eat this up, yum. Okay, enough screwing around. Let's go hiking.
Go hike up Koko Crater.
Yeah. For tourists, we're out. Look at these cheese machines. How fun does that look? We're not raiding one of those. I would love to cruise around in that thing. Hey, we found the cars. They're called Hui, H-U-I. Check them out.
It's similar to like a ride sharing, so you just go on the app, they take all your like credit card license information, and then you can rent it for as little as 20 minutes or all day. And then, yeah.
Hui. Hui. Yeah, very cool.
I'm the direction guy.
Hey, look at us. We finally made it here to Koko Crater. It's that right up behind us there. Apparently people do this for fun.
It used to be railway ties for a tram that would go up to the pillbox lookout during World War II.
Okay, sounds good. It's military history, geological history. There are some really nice birds right over here. Stop wasting time because this looks like a really popular spot.
Oh yeah, we'll get past it anyway. Let's go to the top and hopefully there will be a view to reward us for our efforts.
Just parking at the baseball diamond right next to us here, and then you'll find the trailhead boop, right here. You might be able to tell I am not an avid exercise person, so I have a feeling I'm going to be very challenged here. I am very good at drinking beer. I'm excellent at watching television. Those have seemed about my only 2 skills. All right, way up there. Okay, quick update. We have reached the actual start of the trail. As we said, railway ties all the way to the very top. All right, let's go have some fun. Said it was gonna be fun. Wow, sure am having a really good time. It is hot in Hawaii, I think you knew that. This thing is really steep, but stay tuned for some amazing views.
Exercise ring closed.
Oh, good for me. Let's do this. Let's be careful. Holy shit.
Yeah.
This isn't easy.
No, it's intense.
Rated as a
I think
hard hike?
It's like moderate.
Oh god. It just gets steeper, steeper, steeper,
Yeah.
and steeper.
That's for water.
Yeah, please, I should have brought some. Oh my god. What? Oh my god. There's the. Was it worth it?
That's when we get down.
We didn't bring enough water. What a shame. Okay, check out this amazing view behind us. There's still actually further to go. Don't click off yet. We're at the top. Check out that view. Wow. 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 Here's the secondary view. Tell me about your experience.
It was really sweaty and my heart rate was really high, and it wasn't always amazing, but I knew that once we got to the top it would be glorious, and it did not disappoint.
You are literally on the edge of a giant volcano crater. Fantastic. 2.14 kilometers, 315 meters up.
And it took us 50 minutes to get to the top. That's with breaks.
Total fun, really fun. Thanks for sticking with us. Eventually, I promise we will get to the beach. Hi there, I'm Old McGinty. I'm on top of the Koko Craters. I remember being here as a young man. This is where they sacrificed me into a volcano. Let's have some memories of that.
Into the volcano, little pony!
Wow, what a really good time that was. Sure glad I survived that. Let's go explore some more of the Hawaiis. There's a guy wearing jeans doing this. That is impressive. Good for him. Brave.
I love watching the skinny people struggle.
I just like knowing that everybody's struggling, because god damn it, this is intense. Good time. Quick update, going down is easier, but it's still tiresome.
Good for that.
That's it. The last few steps. Oh my god, that was intense. Medium hike. The hell is that? I don't hike that often, so what the hell do I know?
That was like high, moderate.
Good dog. High five. And we went way, way, way up there.
Update.
Okay, we're done.
We made it to the bottom. That hike was 3.5 kilometers. We took an hour and 26 minutes to do it there and back. Elevation of 319 meters.
Was it worth it? It was when we got to the top, and then I questioned it again on the way down. I got some pretty good blisters on my feet.
If we ever came back here, we'd be like, no, we already did that.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we did it, but I'm also pretty glad that it's over.
It's right here. Hey, look at this. Okay, we have made it back to our hotel room.
Been up what? We've been up Koko Crater.
What time is it now? Beer o'clock at the beach. And we're gonna go down there and spend the rest of the evening down at the beach before we have a little bit of dinner, and then we'll even go back and there'll be some fireworks. That's what you're gonna really want to stick around for.
PSA, there's no public drinking on the beach, so make sure you bring your cooling Yeti thermos with you and just keep it on the down low.
That's advice. Do whatever you want. Anyway, we are gonna head down to
Waikiki Beach.
Waikiki Beach. Take two. Hey, look at that. We're back in Waikiki Beach. We showed you this morning. Well, we're back in the afternoon, and what a difference. Holy crap. There is a lot going on here. Surfing, sunbathing. Worth noting is, who comes to Hawaii doesn't have a towel? This jerk. So I just had to buy one at the store.
Oh,
So let's have a look. Fire it up.
check out this view.
Look at that beauty. Yeah.
We're right here.
We're right there. And where we went for a hike was right down there. Nap.
towel map.
Towel map. Let's go check out this beach and relax because my hips still hurt from that hike.
Aw, my little old man.
It's so nice. That's what it is. Supposed to be one of the nicest beaches in the world. It is. It's busy. There's that. This is the busiest beach I've ever been to. There's no doubt about it. It is one of the nicest beaches I've ever been. Look at this. We're sitting at the Waikiki Beach. Sand's amazing. I got splashed pretty hard when I was trying to clean my shoes. The water is warm. We'll double verify that when we go in. Wow, what an amazing place. I wanted to come to. Never on the list because too expensive. But guess what? You can do it for less. Cook your own food. Bring your own beer. Not supposed to do that, but put it in the cup. Wow, this is pretty cool. We can do it. You can also do it. Ta-da! Check out that view! That's it. That is our first official day here at the Waikiki Beach.
We're still gonna bring them to the
Fireworks.
first day in Waikiki in Hawaii did not disappoint. Had an amazing day. Now the sunset sailboats are out.
We've got some of that coming up tomorrow at some point in this Hawaiian series. You're going to want to watch all of them. If you haven't liked or subscribed, well,
Probably do that.
you probably do that. So just, you know, look at the graphics. They're doing something here right now.
What happens in Hawaii at night? I guess we need to find out.
That's right. So rinse, food, fireworks, Waikiki at night. That's
some of our Costco amazing treats. We did get some tortilla chips. We got a rotisserie chicken and we got some guacamole, and we made an amazing Waikiki chicken nacho. This looks fantastic. What a great dinner, and it costs significantly less than going out for dinner anywhere here in Waikiki. Let's ease it up. Yum.
just when you thought we were done, we're not done. We're going back out at Waikiki here at night. We're gonna go see the fireworks as promised. You guys are gonna wanna stick around. If you've made it this far, you know this video is okay. might get even better when we go see the fireworks. So let's go check it out. Do something stupid. Say something inappropriate. There you go. Look at us. Here we are at the beach with everybody else looking for some firework action. It's busy. Holy smokes, look at all the ships out there. Let's see the fireworks. It's going to be amazing. Is the fireworks show. We saw it from this nice hill. We could have gone to the beach. It was really packed in there.
We were a bit late, so it was like, yeah, we were rushing and then it was already super juiced. We didn't go as close as we could have, but you know what? It's like 10 minutes of fireworks.
It was cool.
It's nice, yeah, of course.
Yeah, nice
it's like
option.
A really nice feature. It's something to do. Gets us out at night, go for a walk.
Fireworks totally worth coming down to, and you don't really need to be right on the beach. The tide is really, really high.
Yeah.
That's that. Let's keep going.